Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create Smart Rich Filter in Jira. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Jira workspace and log into your Jira account. After that, navigate to the Apps section. Once there, click on Explore More Apps. This is where you can find extensions that expand Jira's functionality. In the search bar, type Rich Filters, then install the Rich Filters app. This tool is essential because it lets you create powerful, interactive dashboards with smarter filtering options that go beyond Jira's default capabilities. After installation, you'll notice Rich Filters appear in the left-hand panel of your Jira interface. Click on it to open the main Rich Filters dashboard. Here, click the Create Rich Filter button to start building your new filter. You'll be prompted to name your filter, so choose a name that clearly reflects its purpose. Next, select an existing Jira filter to serve as the foundation for your rich filter. Once selected, click Create to generate your rich filter. Now, within your new rich filter, go to the Smart Filters tab. This section allows you to add logical layers that refine how your data appears and is categorized. Click Create Smart Filter, give it a descriptive name, and hit Create again. After setting up your smart filter, click on Create Smart Clause. This is where you define the actual conditions that determine which issues appear in your filtered view. Give each clause a clear name, then enter a JQL stands for Jira Query Language Query. An optional but helpful step is to assign a color to each clause. You can create multiple smart clauses if needed. Simply click on Create Smart Clause button, and that's it. So that is how you can create Smart Rich Filter in Jira. So that's all for this video. Thanks.